Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Poland. On the menu is Polish Borscht. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. I'm heating up and melting some butter in a saucepan. I add the onions and the garlic and saute for a little bit. Then I add the celery and saute some more. Then I add the beets, the carrots, and the bay leaf. And then I add the stock. Bring to a boil. And let it simmer on low for about 20 minutes. I add the finishing touches. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.